Hello everyone, welcome to CGmood. I am going to paint this beautiful scenery from imagination. So grab your brush and start painting. There are few questions that I would ask myself when I am painting from imagination. What is the overall contrast? What is the proportion of light and dark? What is the focal point of the whole image? In every painting, I would always look for a tiny story. Like here I am thinking a girl is returning back to her home, but her goat doesn't want to come with her. It's always an effective and more engaging if you present your painting through a very short story. It looks more natural and more fun. But the most important point is that just put your ideas on the canvas. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Please let me know in the comment section if you have any ideas. Maybe in the future videos I'll give life to your ideas. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in the next video.